Hey guys, it's me Ann, and this is Beauty with Me. Another day, another facial, am I right? And actually, I was thinking the other day that I've been getting facials pretty consistently for Beauty with Me for over 2 years. That's crazy. Not that I'm complaining. Last week, I did another one that's loved by many celebrities and tons of Victoria's Secret models. It makes them look super nice before award shows. I went to New York Dermatology Group here in New York City that rests on 5th Avenue. So I got the Model Glow Facial, which is designed to make your skin look firmer, smoother, all around more radiant. So without further ado, let's get into it. Please make sure you are subscribed down below. And while you're at it, please add me on Instagram at mian.chan. The first thing I did when I got to NYDG was get into a comfy white robe and wait for my esthetician, Lauren.
We are gonna get started with the Model Glow Facial.
I'm so excited, I feel like I'm in a spaceship.
So I'm gonna start off with a gentle cleanse. It's an oatmeal cleanser.
The treatment started like most treatments do with a gentle cleanse, and then she moved on to microdermabrasion.
The particular microderm that we're using uses suction to clean out pores, and there are crystals almost acting as if a scrub that you'd use at home. So really great for removing dead skin cells, also great for pigmentation and fine lines. So I'm going to remove the crystals, and then we will get started with the radiofrequency. I'm going to put a little bit of cool gel on your skin. Sorry, it is really cold. No. All right, so a little heat here. Almost like a hot stone massage, right?
It's very relaxing.
You will start to see the results immediately, and then due to the nature of collagen, it does take a few days for that to kick in as well.
So I'm gonna continue to see results for the next few days?
Yeah, and so this will last for about a month or two.
Can something like this then be good not only for like anti-aging, but for like anyone who has like intense acne scars and that sort of thing?
Oh yeah, it depends on the severity of the acne scar, but we absolutely can use this device. And then we also use it for like abdominal tightening, for tightening around the knees.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna remove the gel. So this is a little bit of Stimulate Serum. It's got a little glycolic in it, so you may feel a tingle sensation. That's totally normal. And then I will put on the Colbert MD Brightening Mask. Actually a really wonderful blend of essential oils. There's also a little bit of vitamin C and vitamin A as well. Okay, so I'm gonna place protective shields over your eyes. So a little bright, and this is actually a combination of both blue and red LED light. And so blue is really great for bacteria and acne, and red is great for calming inflammation, stimulating collagen, and it'll really boost what we did with the radiofrequency. How are you doing under there? Good. Typically, this is left on for about 12 minutes.
LED light therapy is really cool. There have been a lot of studies that have spoken to its ability to speed up healing, its ability to kill bacteria, boost collagen, with really no downtime. And this is another one of those technologies that was created by, this one was NASA, right?
NASA, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the LED light and remove your shields. Just rubbing in the rest of the mask, and then we'll get started with the cryo. You're gonna feel a little bit of a cool sensation.
Whoa. And this is liquid nitrogen?
This is liquid nitrogen, so great for refining pore size, calming inflammation, and also stimulating collagen.
So is it good for injury, like that sort of thing?
Yeah, absolutely. This light is also really great for pain. It's been proven for like chronic pain, and so that's something you do like every day, but anything where you're calming inflammation, that's always the fan favorite.
It wasn't painful, but it was just something that I was like, okay, like, is it over? Is it gonna be over soon? Because I wanna be warm. But then I was, and Lauren applied a bit of Colbert skincare to my face and then sent me on my way.
How are you feeling?
I feel great, I feel so relaxed. Right after the treatment, I didn't see a huge difference, but the result I think came a few days after. My skin has been really smooth, it's been brighter. My jawline I think has been more chiseled. But let's tackle the elephant in the room, which is the price tag. This facial costs $950. Did I think it was a good treatment? Yes. Dr. Colbert did share a couple gems with me in terms of maintaining your skin without dropping like ridiculous amounts of money.
Well, there are handheld devices for both LED and mini radio frequency.
And do you find those at-home handheld devices work?
They do. It's not the same amount of energy, but they do. I think it's worth doing. I think it's more about protecting your skin with zinc oxide and something that's non-chemical. That's the number one most important thing to an audience of people under 30 is just protect your skin and moisturize it.
You guys have probably heard this a million times, but I'm gonna tell it to you again. From a dermatologist, wear sunscreen every day, even if it's not sunny outside. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed yet another crazy, cool, expensive facial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Click here to subscribe to Refinery29 and click here to watch another video. Bye.